Should I open her? She keep knocking on the door like she's crazy. Look at the other one too. Why you guys snitch? Open the door.
Good evening.
Don't touch my phone again. Never stop. As you guys turn that thing off.
Hi guys.
How is school?
Yeah.
Good.
What's this?
It's not something for you.
It's something for you.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh my god, Mommy, I thought you said what?
I said it was what?
What did I do to my candy?
Ezekiel poured all of them on the floor. And then guess what they did? He opened it. And then half of them was on the floor. I just swept it.
You put it inside the trash and put it back in. You put it in the trash.
The little bitty ones.
Mommy. That's it.
What's that? What's that?
What? How about it? And it's broken.
Huh?
It's broken.
What is broken?
The top of it underneath my shirt. It's broken. You not broke my shirt. I went underneath. No, I didn't.
How?
He pulled
that one!
Now my top is broken. I can't remember.
She was trying to fight with me.
No, he started.
She was trying to fight with me.
He started.
So why are you guys fighting?
He started.
Mama, that was like last month.
That was last week.
Last month.
Wait!
Why not wait?
Wait. And then he pulled my top.
How?
My top. I went underneath my shirt.
I already had two tops.
I'm gonna flex the hour.
So you guys were just fighting each other for no reason.
First of all, says she's stronger than me.
But I am.
I beat her every time. And then she don't want to get.
Mom, when are you gonna buy diapers?
Daddy's gonna buy it and bring it.
Okay. Clock it.
Mom can always make us go outside on Mondays. Yeah, she don't got work at school.
Leave me alone.
Mom, you're so pretty. You look like Marto.
But the only reason why I didn't wanted to walk to school because they didn't want them to see your hair. Man, that's the only reason. Even when Mommy
I really don't care. I don't know what you guys think. I don't.
Even when Mommy had hair, I told Mommy I wanted to walk to school, but she said it's too dark.
Yeah, it does. Be dark in the morning those days. So why would I allow you guys? Huh? How?
I looked at your videos and then they found that I was watching the TikTok.
I've told you.
I told her that too. Anyway, I'm gonna go shake you and take them out. Oh!
What?
No, I want this candy!
Huh?
Who I this candy?
Who? What? You have to know that you don't have. It's not only you. Your candy is up there. Never. Why are you laughing? You made Neville laughing at you. Come. Don't start. Never. Kelly. I mean, Neville. Give him some. Precious, bring top for Ezekiel.
I'm gonna give away the candy at school.
I'm
gonna give away all these candies at school. I don't like none of these.
You have to give all the candies to the peers.
I'm just gonna do it. And then they're gonna do it.
Ezekiel, never give Ezekiel some of the chips, okay? Don't be stingy, okay? Don't put it on the floor. I am not playing with you. Enough is enough. You guys stop making a mess. Or you gonna sweep it by yourself.
Mommy, I got wallet.
Give it to her.
Okay, possible, okay?
Alright.
I need to tell you something.
What's up?
Can you possible quick, man? Please.
What'd you say? Good afternoon. How was school today? Katie, how was school today? You had fun? I did not go to work. I just went for an appointment. So where is Precious and Decky and Elvin? Who told them they can go to the park? Did she take her phone? Katie. Ezekiel. They said Decky, Nelvin and Precious went to the park. You didn't go? Let's go back inside. Let's go. Guys, can you guys open me?